Hello YouTube. Another free tip Tuesday tip. Working on this 2016 BMW 528i. Had oil leak, the valve cover was leaking as they normally do, and we were putting a metal one on. Okay, but when you're putting the metal ones on, make sure, I don't know how well you can see this. These holes here, these are probably die cast, and there's a little ridge. I don't know how well you can see it with this camera. There's a little ridge there, and also on these the holes where the bolts go around the edge, there's that little ridge there, and what that'll do, that'll hold that up where it won't seal properly. You're trying to fix an oil leak, and you could very possibly create an oil leak. See, that's not flush. Some places here you can see where they look like they might have tried to surface grind that. I don't know if you can see that, because this one's pretty level. That one's not too bad. But if you're gonna change these out and put the metal one on, you need to make sure you file those flat. That surface has to be completely flat. There doesn't need to be any raised. If there's any raised portion there, you can potentially cause a leak worse than you were fixing. Same way in the center here. You're gonna have to file that down. That should be level with this surface here. This should be perfectly level. So that's what I'm gonna do with this one. But just a little free tip Tuesday. Trying to fix an oil leak, and you could potentially make it worse than it was to start with. So, you know the deal. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Once you get all those surfaces ground smooth, make sure you get every one of them. That way, when you torque the cover down, you're going to get even pressure on your seal, and you won't have any oil leaks or vacuum leaks. So hope this helps, and I said like and subscribe. See you in the next video.